Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, here is a disaster clean with me. I want to normalize when your mental health is just not great and you fall behind, because this is real life. My house is not always done. Everything is not always put away. I have highs, I have lows, and I really went through a bad depression slump, and this was the aftermath because I just didn't care about making the house a priority, and I cared about focusing on myself and just kind of making me the priority. So here I am coming out of that rut and dealing with sort of the consequences of my actions. I shouldn't say consequences, because at the end of the day, it's just me putting the house as a back burner and putting myself ahead of it. But anyways, hope that you guys will enjoy this. I hope that it can give motivation. I'm not going to talk the whole time because I figured we've been doing that for the last couple of ones. So with this one, you're going to get a little bit more music that hopefully we can clean along. If you yourself are feeling a little bit low, hopefully this can motivate you to just kind of just start picking up somewhere.
Saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. From out of town, I'm hoping that you stick around. Show me what it's like from the other side. Would you stay another night? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. Waited all these years for you right here, but how will I ever know if you go? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you.
Alright, and so I'm just finishing up in the kitchen and stuff here. I want to know, though, how are you guys doing? How is it going in the land, wherever you are from? Definitely comment down below. Let me know where you're from, where you're watching from. If you're new to my channel, I'm Ariana. I'm actually a military spouse stationed overseas. We are living in Italy currently, and in a short amount of time, we are actually going to be moving to Germany. So I'm super excited about that. European lifestyle is definitely very different than the States, but I've really enjoyed it. When it comes to organizing, as you guys can see, I'm just also kind of just getting things put away. Let me tell you guys about these nerdy nuts. If you follow me on Instagram, they are so delicious. I really love that they're a more natural peanut butter cup and indulgence to have. They also make really delicious peanut butter treats. I do have them linked down below. It's not sponsored, anything like that, but I do have a discount code with them. It is one-time use only, so definitely make sure that you're making a big purchase order whenever you're going to do it, so that way you can save the most money. My kitchen is done. Coffee bar is organized. As you can see, yes, I don't know if I showed in the last, we did get a new espresso machine, grinder. I'm going to end up moving over to my living room and our command center, which is just a collect all junk zone. Where is like the junk zone for your house? Like, I'm curious for people. For us, it's definitely the like step in the house and just set stuff down and it just stays there. But I know some people maybe have like rooms or different things, so I'm curious for yours. But I'm going to go ahead and just kind of like take care of this, pick it up. My kids are home because we are still just finishing, having been on ROM and restrictions from being sick. And if you're wondering why I sound sick again, because I am, you'll see in a future vlog and everything, the explanation for that. But anyways, also to go back to that nerdy nuts real quick, I just want to let you guys know also that they are a small business, small company that is up and coming. So definitely, if you are into supporting small business and all of that during these times, which I could really use it, again, just make sure you check them out. And everybody who I have recommended it to has loved them. And we all just talk about what our favorite flavors are. So if you have had them, I'd love to know what your favorite is. Okay, so this is real life that I've just been running around trying to pick up because I'm basically at the end of the time that I can do stuff. As you can see, I did my calendar. My calendar's full. But I have picked up in here. I had to make the kids lunch, and so then they are eating. While they are eating, I'm going to go ahead and start to kind of steam mop. I might take my Bissell Crosswave, actually. I don't know, one of them, but I'm going to basically start to mop the floor, and then I'll be able to show you guys the after. Okay, so if you've made it this far, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please remember that you are doing an amazing job. Do not feel like you have to get it all done. The internet is not reality. As much as those of us share our lives on here, just remember that we are not all perfect. You don't have to be perfect. You are doing the best that you can, and that's what matters.